Urban Gardening Thailand. Today we're going to be talking about dog fennel. A lot of people consider dog fennel an invasive species and kind of a weed. They also don't like its strong, pungent odor. I personally don't find the odor any bit of a problem, and I really like its feathery leaves, and I kind of feel it's a nice addition to our garden. They're also really easy to make cuttings with. All you have to do is snip one of the small branches, kind of the tips, okay? And then once you've taken your cutting here, you strip off the bottom leaves, and this part gets put in water, and in a couple weeks it will grow roots. Here's an example of some dog fennel cuttings that I planted maybe 2 or 3 months ago. These cuttings have been in water for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and they have already started to make some really nice roots, and they're ready to be transplanted directly into the soil. I'm going to use this old screwdriver to make some holes in the dirt and put the dog fennel in them. Got 3 cuttings, so we're going to make 3 holes here. The soil is nice and moist because it rained last night. We had some thunderstorms. And we're going to take these dog fennel cuttings and stick them right in these nice holes that we've made for them. Try to get the roots in there. Normally you'd have to give them some water, but since it's rained so much, we really don't need to water them very much. Hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a like and comment below. Bye!